And we have a chart on the table. Can we take those? Welcome back to German Brew. Today I'm not alone again.
Hi everyone!
So today we make it just simple mead. So we're starting simple. First we make sugar wine, then we make wine from canned fruit, and now we're making just a simple mead. For this one I buy the Yukatana honey from Mexico. I didn't know how it tastes, so the first thing we need to do,
We will try it.
we will try it. That's why I have 2 spoons here. So the first thing.
It's strong honey.
Really sweet.
Really sweet.
I like honey. I don't have a really so much extra flavor. It's good honey, but
Yeah.
not where you're thinking, okay, there is special taste. But it's a good honey. We can use it.
And it's a clear honey, I can see it.
Yes, it's really clear. Hopefully the meat is also clear at
It's
the end.
fluffy, watery. Not
Liquid.
watery, but liquid.
Liquid.
Not frozen,
Not crystallized.
Yeah,
So
not
I'm
crystallized.
using this one again because it's easier to mix inside here for us. And of course this one is clean. You see now the water dots.
There's
I
a
clean
steam.
now with steam. Yes.
Yeah,
I
so
steam
there's
it
a
now.
steam inside.
Maybe you open the second one and put it just
You
inside.
pour.
Yes, you need to work.
So we put the honey. One honey is 500 grams, so we have 2.
Yes, and we put
Yeah.
2 liter water. So for each kilogram honey, 2 kilogram of water. The rest we will clean, of course. We will clean out. Because I prepare the black tea we can use. Here I still have some water. The rest is used for the black tea from this bottle.
So we still use distilled water or buyed water.
Yes, we have still buyed water. Because I still don't like the water here. And
Then we need to mix it, or?
yes, but wait.
I cannot wait.
You don't know what you want to do.
This I can use for mixing.
It's too complicated. Stop with mixing this.
Huh?
I show you in a moment. Because then we need to bring this to there and maybe filming with the camera.
Why?
We have something that is really good is for mixing.
So we have here the
Black tea.
black tea, and it's
Just simple organic Darjeeling.
yeah.
Darjeeling? How are you
Darjeeling.
pronouncing?
Darjing.
Yes, and
And it is warm tea, of course. You can make it in cold.
fresh brewed, just 5 minutes.
It's already 5 minutes.
It's almost 5 minutes. It's okay. It gives a little bit tannin, nothing more. It gives a nice
We
mouthfeel.
put here too.
But you put the tea inside here.
Ah,
And
so I can put
inside
it
here.
already. I can put it already.
Yes, a little. So, also here a little. We need it 1 time more, so that's why just a little.
Like this. Put it in like this.
Yeah, it's just new. My wife buy it. It's good for making tea.
Yeah.
Just shaking it a little, then open again, shaking a little, open again.
Why it needs to be like that? Ah, because it's
Because
warm.
hot air. That is
It will make
need more space. It's when you make it,
Well,
it has too
fun.
much pressure.
and inside. Hot.
Here's the screen.
Yeah.
Then just put the rest of the honey, of the tea.
We can put all the rest of the tea here and I can mix it.
We mix it somewhere else.
So we're using the electric mixer. Wait, don't work.
So we have visitor again. You saw we using the electric mixer because so we also get some oxygen inside easily. And because the oxygen the yeast need to vitalize for life.
Yeah.
Reproducing and recleaning a little bit. Okay.
And now what we will do?
We want to find out what our gravity is.
Okay.
And I found the chip again. You wanted to do it or?
I have a child.
You have a child. You have a
Go
child.
to Miss Rachel now. Miss Rachel Brisbane. Cheers. Makish.
Okay, let's go.
So now it's just easy to make.
That's a high gravity. We have a problem.
What?
It's more sweeter than my scale is allowed.
Oh.
So we over 1.120. We need more water.
We need more water?
We need more water.
Why? It's not okay. So we will see. Maybe we have
It's too high sugar.
30% alcohol.
It's too much high sugar and I just have a 9% yeast, I think. Okay, it was my mistake. Almost a half liter was still inside the water cooker. So, yes. I also make here now some bread yeast for killing it. So, just bread yeast and 100 degrees hot water. So, it's dead again.
When it's dead, it will not become alive again?
No, they dead. They can't do anything anymore.
It's not that like it when it's hot it will die and when it's cold it will...
No, it's just like when the yeast become too cold, they just go sleepy and do nothing anymore, but when it's getting hot, they reactivate it. But if you boil yeast, it's dead.
Okay.
Yeast don't like high temperatures. So, we try again. So, it's better. 1.11. We know we have now 1.110. I have here a cider yeast. I choose a cider yeast. It's a 9% yeast. I wanted to have this mead on the sweet side.
Can I put it inside?
And this is one of the package I don't like. You can open it without. Smell like yeast?
I don't know. What is the smell of yeast?
Just put.
All? Everything?
Not all. Stop. That's enough.
Nein, ist nur zu klein.
This one is good for. Did they write it on it?
No.
Normally they write on it, and all the package is good for 50 liters or something. And we just make 3. Maybe you. Okay, you can make a little bit more.
You put, or else I put everything. Do it's okay if I will stir it?
Yes.
Ah.
We need to.
Or else I thought it's not okay to stir because the yeast will be dizzy. It will die. And it will have headache. And
No.
so, no, I will not make arbeit anymore.
Really, the yeast get nice sugar, and that's no work for them. They like sugar. Just carefully now.
So we already bottled it. So
I like the color.
maybe because we shake it. We shake
We
it.
put a lot of oxygen inside. Yes.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
The yeast will. I'm sure the yeast will like the oxygen.
Then we put, of course, this.
Lock.
What kind of this? Lock, air lock.
And
Very important, so that
what?
it will be locked.
Yes, and I forget again the alcohol. I need to get it.
Not here.
Not here. Yes, we just fill it here with alcohol, so nothing can go inside, but the CO2 can get outside.
Or the fart.
Yeah, the fart of the yeast. Some cheap alcohol. Here it's called Nordbrand. It's just made from wheat.
But it's alcohol.
But it's alcohol. Pure alcohol. The good thing is if the alcohol comes inside, it's not a problem. Because if we're just using water, it become old and maybe bacteria come inside. So that's why we use alcohol.
So,
We're done.
we're done. Again,
If you like this video and just a short, simple meat,
you can try our recipe for today. Easy and not a lot of ingredients.
that's true. And here are 2 more videos if you like it. And of course, thumb up, subscribe. What did I forget? The bell icon. Still in YouTube, you need to put the bell icon if you wanted to have news. Bye.
Bye and see us again in our next mead making video.